Welcome to Better Me Transformation. Here's a meditation designed to help guide you from a feeling of contentment to a sense of hopefulness. Relax into this moment of possibility where contentment opens the door to hope. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down, and gently close your eyes. Take a deep, slow breath in, hold it for a moment, and exhale completely, releasing all the air from your lungs. As you settle into your breath, recognize the feeling of contentment within you. Like a peaceful lake, your mind is still, your body relaxed. Here, in this space, you are fulfilled by the simplicity of being. With each inhale, imagine drawing in a light of potential, filling you with a soft, radiant glow. As you exhale, visualize this light spreading throughout your body, illuminating you with warmth and possibility. Picture this light as the dawn of hopefulness on the horizon of your mind. With each breath, the sun rises a little more, brightening the sky of your inner world, promising new beginnings and endless possibilities. In this light, allow yourself to think of something you wish for, something you are looking forward to, no matter how big or small. Hold this thought gently as you continue to breathe deeply, nurturing it with the warmth of your attention. Now, with a heart full of future joys, repeat these affirmations to yourself. With every breath, I am filled with hope. I look forward to the abundance life has to offer. Each day brings me closer to my dreams. Hope is the bridge between my contentment and my future. Let the energy of hope encompass you, feeling confident about what lies ahead. Carry this light with you, a beacon guiding you forward from contentment to hopefulness. As we bring this meditation to a close, begin to bring your awareness back to the present moment. Notice the sounds around you, the feeling of where you sit or lie, the ground supporting you. When you're ready, gently open your eyes, returning to your surroundings with a renewed sense of hope. Remember, you can revisit this place of hope anytime you wish. It's always here within you, just a few intentional breaths away. Please like and share if you found this to be helpful. We appreciate you and your support.